guys, welcome to my channel. For today's video we will mix Ashton Gray and Blue Gray matte finish latex paint. Ashton Gray is a popular color on gray. It's the perfect hue for any living space, whether it be a family room or bedroom, as it acts as neutral backdrop. Blue Gray is chic and soothing bluish gray shades for a trendy and relaxing home. These tranquil paint colors will transform your home and how you feel in it. Okay, let's start. Our client order 1 gallon Ashton Gray matte latex paint mix. Let's start by pouring at least 60% ratio of flat latex white, followed by adding matte latex black. Also add acrylic color, raw sienna. Then a drop of acrylic color phthalo blue. Let's also put acrylic color Venetian red. Stir the paint very well. Let's now compare to our client chosen sample. We are more darker. Let's add more flat latex white. Again, let's add matte latex black, acrylic color raw sienna, acrylic color phthalo blue, and acrylic color Venetian red. almost the same. Just add more flat latex white, acrycolor phthalo blue, and acrycolor Venetian red to achieve the grayish-brown shade. Yes, it's Ashton Gray. Already! Mixing accomplished. Before we start to our next mixing tutorial, please support me by not skipping the ads on our videos. It's a big help to small YouTuber like me. Thank you so much. Our next order, 1 gallon blue-gray matte latex paint mix. We start by putting acrycolors on a 70% ratio of matte latex white. Let's now put acrycolor black. Acrycolor phthalo blue. Acrycolor raw sienna. And last, acrycolor tulidine red. Stir the paint very well. Let's add more acrycolor phthalo blue. And acrycolor raw sienna. It's more lighter. Let's add more acrycolor, blue, raw sienna, black, and tulidine red. stir the paint very well. Let's now compare. Almost the same. Let's add more matte, latex white, phthalo blue, and raw sienna. Just a little darker. Let's add more matte, latex white, and ochre color, raw sienna. Yes, it's the same. Already. Pretty mixing accomplished. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon to keep updated on my paint mixing tutorial videos. For more info, questions, and requests about paint mixing, paint colors, painting procedures, painting materials, and kind of paint, just comment here. Thank you so much. God bless.